Accessing a non-global variable in Python. I'm trying to change the state of a GTK status icon from a thread as specified in mailthread.run below, but I don't know how to reach the status icon object from the method in order to change set_visible to either true or false. Basically, I would like to know what to write in place of #set status icon visible off/on.
You can accept the status icon in the threads_init_. And then you can use it in run. Additionally, you need to do all the GUI work from the main thread. The main thread has a queue maintained by GTK you can use to tell it to go do some GUI work. This is how it works. idle_ basically means add that to the queue and do it when you have some free time.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.